Well, I'm harvesting potatoes already. It's middle of June here in USDA Planting Zone 5, Wisconsin. And there are potatoes that I harvested. I actually harvested those twice. I harvested that batch last fall and stored them. And then I put them in this pot right here. And I grew potato, let's call them slips, for transplanting. You can see right here, here's the potato. That one I kind of broke off. Let's see if we can get one here. Here's a purple Peruvian here. Just kind of shake it apart. Here's one right here, see that? So that's the purple Peruvian potato right here, and here's the slip. And I'm just popping that off of there. I'm going to eat that potato. And I'm going to plant the slip. So here I kind of loosened up a hole already. Put the shovel. I'm going to stick that in there. Put the roots down on the bottom. Pack her in. There. That's a potato plant. And it's now in the ground. Another one. Kind of overshadowed by this. There, now you can see it. This is actually, I had this planted as a pea bed, and they were really old peas, I think from 2015, and most of them didn't come up. Got a few to come up. Oh, there's a garlic right there. That's grass. Should probably pull these garlics too and eat them. But the peas were really sporadic as to how they germinated. Ooh, I'm going to be stepping on one here, kneeling on it. Some tomatoes are coming up as volunteers, and I don't want that in this bed right now. Kind of late on tomatoes, plus I got plenty of plants. I suppose I shouldn't say that, you never know. Some disease could wipe a bunch of them out. So anyhow, here's another purple Peruvian. This one's got lots of slips. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I cleared it off. This one here I ain't gonna plant. It doesn't have any leaves. Here's a really nice one here. I don't like the looks of that one. So there's actually 2 of them, and look at all the nice roots on there. That's ready to make potatoes right there. This one too. So I'm going to get them in the ground.